Is there a power pack that can be charged within a few minutes instead of several hours? Now we have it. Apollo, the world's first portable power pack using graphene composite battery and USB CPD technology. It supports up to charge at 60 watt, which means battery with capacity of 6,000 milliamps can be fully charged in 20 minutes or so. Apollo supports the Power Delivery 3 protocol. You don't need to bring a separate adapter with you because it is compatible with USB-C power adapters of Nintendo Switch, Apple MacBook, Lenovo laptop, Dell laptop, or HP laptop. If you have only old laptop chargers or MagSafe adapters, you can also use our AnyWatt adapter to charge Apollo. Besides, Apollo supports 40-watt USB CPD output, which means it supports the fast charging of the latest iPhone 8 or iPhone X. Or in an emergency, it supports emergency charge to your Apple MacBook. Now you can play and work anytime, anywhere, with no worries about charging.
Imagine traveling non-stop at up to 670 miles per hour, above land or underground. This is Hyperloop, a new mode of transportation that has been developed by Hyperloop One. It starts with an electric motor, which is broken up into two basic components: the rotor, which rotates, and the stator, which is stationary. The stator is an electromagnet, so when an electric current passes through it, the rotor is magnetically attracted to spin. Unlike a normal electric motor, the Hyperloop One motor isn't circular, it's linear. And the rotor is on the pod, which is propelled magnetically as it moves over the stator. Hyperloop One's unique technology uses magnetic levitation to guide and lift the pod off the track. Nearly all of the air inside the Hyperloop tube is removed using a series of vacuum pumps. This effectively creates our own sky inside the tube, as if you were quietly flying at 200,000 feet above sea level. This reduces drag so only the smallest amount of electricity is needed to achieve extraordinary speeds and creates a more cost and energy efficient system than high-speed rail or airline transport. Hyperloop One will be automated by the most advanced systems in the world, allowing a safe and efficient journey that's never delayed or overbooked. Hyperloop is the first new form of public transportation in over 100 years. Fundamentally, it will change the way we travel, work, and live. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Hyperloop One.
A normal keyboard forces the wrist to bend towards the pinky side of your hand. Raise's split design allows you to rotate both halves so you reduce the strain in wrist and shoulders. Raise has a full aluminum body, the connectors and joints are magnetic, and the cable gives you an extra USB port. You can create multiple fully configurable layouts and toggle instantly between them, and assign to each group of keys a different backlight color. And the underglow will give you visual feedback when you change layouts. Raise has the functionality of a full-size keyboard in a much smaller footprint. It's crazy that we use both thumbs for only one massive key. Raise has 8 thumb keys. They are comfortable to use because they are in the area where our thumbs naturally rest. Raise is a keyboard and a gaming keypad in the same device. You can detach any side and the other will still work. This way you can have more space for your mouse while you're gaming. It's comfortable for both left and right-handed gamers. There are many kinds of mechanical switches. All Raise switches are hot swappable, so you can easily pull them out and replace them whenever you want. Regular keyboards bend the wrist up, creating strain over time. Palm rests are needed to raise the wrist, making a neutral angle.